Want to grow your channel fast? You need to research low-competition keywords. Just use the search bar to find rising trends.
Tip 2. Put your main keyword at the beginning of the title. This makes it stand out to viewers.
To get more views, your thumbnails need to stand out. Avoid blurry shots and small text that people will miss. Use high contrast, bold titles, and expressive. This simple switch can massively increase your clicks.
Tip 4. Add your keyword naturally in the description.
Tip 5. Use only 3 to 5 relevant hashtags.
Tip 6. Add relevant tags.